Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's having a freaking awesome day. Today is gonna be a super sick day because we're finally getting some on the rear of the car. Unfortunately, not a big wing yet, but we are getting a carbon fiber trunk clip on there, which I do think I'm gonna keep on there anyway, even with the big wing, so it should look pretty sick. There's the Beauty, looking good still. Still got some stick fitment going on in the rear. But guys, let's get this thing opened up. You already know, this will be down in the description box below if you want to pick it up. This was a pretty cheap one. I think it was, I want to say 150 for a carbon fiber one. Some fiberglass ones were even going for more than that. But it is a Chinese one, we'll see how good it is. It kind of was a temporary thing until I get the wing, but I've seen some other people running these with the wing as well. Not on BRZ FRSs, but actually I saw one guy with the Evo doing it, and that's what gave me the idea. Here she is, guys. Oh wow, it's actually packaged pretty good. I'm assuming I'll probably double side tape it on. There's holes there, no threads in the holes for some reason. I'll probably just double side tape it on. But for now, let's move this car forward a little bit and set it up on there and see how she looks. So as you guys can tell, the back of my car is kind of naked looking right now. I don't have anything on there, not even a diffuser. Let's see how this thing fits. Damn, that actually looks pretty good. And it fits perfectly. Probably almost leave it off here. Let's grab some tape. I'm gonna tape it on there. I gotta take a step back and see how it looks before I attach it for real. Damn guys, I kinda like it. It looks pretty good. Ooh, that does a lot to the back of the car. I can dig it. What do you guys think? Do you think that should be wrapped the same color, or do you think, wow, snow's falling off the roof. Do you think that should go black down there, or should I leave it? I feel like that might be kind of out of place down here now. Should that go black on the sides? I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. I could Photoshop it too. Hold up. Let's take a photo. Now here is it all black. All right, I'm gonna grab some double-sided tape real quick and just apply this with double-sided tape. I'll have everything linked down below. I'm gonna have this trunk clip down below and also the double-sided tape I'm gonna be using, because I don't know if this is gonna be permanent yet or not. All right guys, so I was having a little debate with myself. I went downstairs and did some quick Photoshop, the photos you guys just saw. And I think personally, I like it a lot better with the sides black. There's still gonna be a little bit of orange right here. So I'm gonna end the black right here or somewhere up in here. And I think that'll look really good, just a tiny orange strip right there. But these main sections here black, provided that I have enough leftover black material. I think I might, let's check. Pretty sure I have enough black in here. That should definitely be enough for here, guys. Oh yeah, perfect. Definitely have enough vinyl. So, cool. I guess we're gonna be back to wrapping now. That's fun. These are gonna be super easy to vinyl. Probably take 5 minutes per side after I clean it up. I hope you all like my decision as well. Granted, I guess it is my car, it doesn't really matter, but let's get this thing wrapped up. This went from a trunk install, or a trunk clip install video, to a wrapping video real quick. So I'm just gonna lay down my knifeless tape. I'll just clean it real quick with my sweater. I'll clean it for real later on. But where do I wanna end this at? I think it looks good. Let's go ahead and end it right here. Let's grab a little marker. You guys might think I'm weird wanting my little orange strip in there, but I think it adds a little bit of character to it. So right there. Right there. Even. That'll work, guys. Let's do this thing. that, guys. All right, let's get this trunk clip on. So what I'm gonna do is grab my double-sided tape I have here, and I'm just gonna put it on the edge of the whole trunk clip. Should be pretty straightforward. And this is some really strong tape here, so I don't think this thing's gonna fall off anytime soon. Okay, all the tape is laid. Now we just have to clean the trunk itself, where this is gonna sit, and we can get it on. That sounded kind of weird. Okay. Done, just like that. Super simple. Alright guys, that is going to wrap up the install section of this video. I may pick this back up later if I do anything else interesting. It'll just be some vlog type stuff. But if I don't, I will see you guys tomorrow. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm going to have the trunk clip and this double-sided tape down in the description box below. So if you guys want to go pick up this super sick trunk clip for pretty damn cheap, go check out that link down there. Also, one more thing, I'm always gonna have all of the mods done to the FRS in the FRS videos, so go check out the description box below, and it's gonna have like headlights and a link to buy them, taillights, link to buy them, and all that, pretty much everything I'm doing to the car, and the links to buy them in the FRS videos, and everything for the Evo in the Evo videos. So it'll make it super easy for you guys, because I'm always getting questions and comments on, especially on Instagram DMs, about where to pick up parts. So it'll be easy just to link people back to the videos, and they can go from there. It'll be super easy. So remember that, guys. If you ever want to pick up anything, just go to any FRS video and go to the description box, and all the parts and all the mods done to the car will be in there. Before that rant, where was I? I can't remember. Anyways, if I don't see you guys later, this will be the end of the video, and I will see you guys tomorrow. If you enjoyed it, hit that thumbs up button down below. Feel free to share the video as always. I really appreciate everyone sharing the videos. Means a bunch, guys. And we are chasing out at 10K. We might be at 10K already. So I really appreciate everyone's support, everyone that has subscribed, all the interaction we are getting on the channel these days. It is crazy. Anyways, I'll see you guys later, or I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.